Hi there, boys and girls. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Hopefully you've been enjoying this learning experience at home. We all miss you. We think about you all the time, and we really hope that we get a chance to see you again soon. So we're going to go ahead and get started on our word work for today. We're going to do this a little bit differently. I want you to just simply take a minute and notice. I have already went ahead and sorted the words that we're going to be working on, but I want you to be able to pause if you need to. Just think about it for a second. Why do you think I grouped these words the way that I have grouped them? It's giving you a quick little hint on what our patterns are going to be this week. So go ahead and take a look. Pause if you need to. Okay, if you paused, then you're back. If you haven't paused, then you're still with us. So if we take a look here at this slide and sleep, then we have blot and blade and plug and please and clip, clap, fly, flag, glue, and globe. Some of you might have noticed that we put them together because, slide and sleep, they're both long vowels. Maybe here you were a little stuck as to why we grouped them together. And then maybe here for plug, you started to realize that, wait a second, the two first letters of the words are the same. Here we have S-L-I-D-E, S-L-E-E-P, if we're thinking about how we spell the words and what we notice. So boys and girls, drum roll please. Our patterns for this week, we're going to be working on those L blends. We have worked on the S blends the past 2 weeks, and now we're going to be working on those L blends. We're going to be working on BL, CL, FL, GL, PL, and SL. So these are called the L blends, and you've got it because they have that L with that consonant. So we are going to go ahead and come back to our anchor chart where we have worked on our recipes for blends. And I know in our anchor chart, we have already added in our ST, our SP, our SM, SN. We've also added in that WK and C that went with the S for our S blends. And now we're going to switch gears, and we're not going to necessarily start with S every time. I have added this letter L into our blender. And what that's going to mean is that every blend that we have for this week is going to have that L in it. But that first consonant is going to be different. So I've added B for BL, I've added G for GL, I've added F for FL, and we already have C for CL, we already have S and P for those blend sounds. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to press the button, we're going to mix it all up, it's going to go, and then when it gives us our letters, let me move this down just a little bit. When this gives us our letters, it's going to give us BL, GL, FL, CL, SL, and PL. Okay, so we are working with those L blends. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's say these sounds together. BL, when B and L come out of the blender, we're looking at the bull sound. When G and L come out of the blender together, we're looking at that gull sound. Same thing for FL. It's going to make the oo, but now it has a f at the beginning for full. This C says k, cool, s, oo, sul, pool. Okay, so those are going to be our L blends for this week. Please remember, when you're done watching the video, your job as your learner is to be looking at the grid and choosing an activity that you can use for your spelling words. And as you continue to work on that all week, you're going to make sure that you're trying hard to do new activities and maybe even play Connect 3 with the places. So you do need paper pencil for those. And please remember, please, 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 boys and girls, as you do your work, make sure you are sending pictures to your homeroom teacher so they can see what amazing work you guys have been completing as you do your lessons. As always, we are all very proud of you, and we know that you're working super hard. Have a great day, boys and girls.